Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on a very special trip. Okay, it's a nice journey, it's therapeutic, the scenery is on point. What I'd ask you to do is just to sit back, relax and enjoy this ride. Soon you will reach the destination. Think organic, think vitamin C, think antioxidant, think skin, think beauty, think immune system, think strength, think radiance. So guys, I'm on my way to picking fruits today. I'm taking you along with me. I hope we're gonna have fun. Yes, we need those raspberries and strawberries. So let's see what fruit we can get today, guys. Come along with me. Guys, let's continue to think. So we'll think again about vitamin B9, which is called folate. Think vitamin K, think vitamin B6, think a bunch of minerals, think fiber. And then we'll put it all together in a minute.
Past the fields of green, cornrows swaying in the finest scene I've seen. Got a cooler in the back and my boots on the floor. This small town life's got me wanting more. Sunset and low.
There we are, guys. We have reached organics, and this is where we're gonna spend another couple minutes. It's an organic farm that grows things naturally.
Farm road fever with the baseline high. Country soul shining.
Hi guys, so I have reached my destination. I have my sunscreen with me. So I did put on some earlier, but I'm gonna apply another layer all over my body, my shoulders, my hands, my fingers, my legs. Yeah, anywhere that I think will be exposed to the sunshine. And just all right, it's a very good one to have. Guys, I must say, on my way, the journey, it's like about 30 minutes drive. The journey was just so peaceful, so nice, refreshing, away from Toronto's busy environment. It's just really fresh, natural, peaceful, and just daring. It's just a day by myself, unfortunately, but hey, you have to push yourself to really try to enjoy yourself. I've come a long way. I remember when I just could not step outside without thinking, who should I call, who can I call to come with me, just to be that second person, that energy. Hey, I'm here today by myself, unfortunately, but fortunately. So let's go. Guys, it's very hot. When I tell you it's hot, it's like I'm in Jamaica. Trust me, my skin is being scorched, and this is what I'm talking about. We have to wear a sunscreen. Very hot, but hey, I'm still going. Just to put things into perspective, look at the weather for the day right up there. I'm going. Yes. You see the beautiful house? It's so pretty. It's a nice place. So nice. Beautiful, eh? You should come down. It's in Markham. Yes, it's really nice. It's good for family as well, and friends. If you're dating, you know, if you need somewhere to go, this is a good place to start with somebody that you're interested in, to go on a date. Yes. So guys, this is my 1 liter box for my strawberry picking today. I will get another one another time when I have company. And that's where we're going on this. We're going to be using that buggy over there. Lovely buggy.
Just weekend here?
Yeah, just right over here. We're gonna see if
Yeah.
people are going out picking, and then we'll bring up.
It's nice. We've had winter, you know, it's no time for summer. We know how it goes in Canada. We have different seasons, so we prepare. And this is why it's so exciting. Because now we are out of the cold. I fix my hat. Oh my god. Guys, you like my hat? Tell me you like my hat. You need to wear yours when you're coming, okay? So guys, they have over 30 different types of apples. These are apples right here. So you can't see the strawberries. They're at the back, way over. That's why we're gonna go on the ride.
What are they doing?
Right? So this is why it's exciting for families. Hello families. You need to come on down. Take your families and come and enjoy, okay?
That's what they live.
Hey, can you just hold this for me so I can go
Yeah.
off, please? If you don't mind. I should have asked her.
Okay, go ahead.
Got it?
Give me yeah, give me yeah. Okay, perfect.
Thank you, dear. Appreciate it. Guys, the feet are metal, so it's gonna burn the bum.
Okay, now everybody has to sit down.
Yeah.
Driving down these dusty roads.
Guys, make sure you cover your skin when you're coming. Wear clothes, thin clothes, cover your skin. I did the wrong thing. I'm telling you, my skin is being scorched right now. This is fun. Oh my god. Guys, dirt. We have some dirt to deal with. I met friends today. Yes, guys, I met friends. Oh, dust. Dust is dealing with my hair, you know? No, curly hair and the dust don't get along, guys. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at the dust behind us. Look. And I'm standing, guys. Standing, but we're supposed to be sitting. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, therapy. Please, single people, this is something you need to put on your list, okay? It's really you connecting with God on a different level. Like, this is God himself, right? You know that, right? He created this for us. But definitely, guys, cover your skin when you're coming, okay? Because it's not easy. The dust and the sun. Yeah, because even my purse is dirty right now. Yeah. And I'm wearing skirts, so I'm getting it on my legs. But you know what? They need it. They need a vitamin D. They have a solar system here. Yeah, they're not putting that sun to waste. They're putting it to use. You knew I would have caught you. Guys, I'm having fun. You'd never believe it. Can somebody who is alone have fun like this? Oh God, I didn't know. Well, I knew, but I mean, this is another level. Oh my God, I gotta take my whole family here. Next time. So guys, they say if you don't take this train, this thing, this whatever it's called, you have to walk for like over 20 minutes. This looks like 30 minutes walk, or even 40, honestly. So I would not chance it. You do yourself a favor and come on this Iron Bird. You take this Iron Bird, okay? And guys, don't forget your water.
It's been on a tractor, ain't seen Becky all week. Somebody said they seen them headed down to the creek. Farmer Johnson's daughters just pulled up in a Jeep. Man, he knows how to grow them if you know what I mean.
So guys, based on what I've seen, bring your gloves, your farm gloves, wear long sleeve and pants and stuff to cover up your legs, your hat. Some people have their umbrella. Yeah, bring everything as if you're coming to stay. As if you're coming to do farming. We're not spending no more than, I don't know, more than an hour or so. Guys, we have to learn to appreciate farmers some more. Let's give them some thoughts. Let me tell you, when they're in the elements of the air, this can be good. It's hot. It's pelting my skin as if it's taking it off. I'm talking about my legs. You understand? So guys, if you can't bend down, kneel down. That's alright, just kneel down, okay? Nothing gonna bite you. And I need one knee. Guys, it's a lot you get for the 1 liter because they're very small. Guys, I'm so tired. This thing is a workout. I'm out of breath just to do this. What? And then to run and try to catch the driver. This is my reaping.
That's your haul.
My haul? Yeah. Ooh, so tired. I'm out of breath. Hmm?
Is it like this all the time in Japan?
Yeah, it's so hot. We're always crying. It's bad. All right. Thank you, dear. Whew.
All right.
Yeah. Just gonna rest. Whew. Guys, I'm beat. I am beat. I don't have any use for the rest of the day. I'm done. Like beat in the sun, it definitely killed me. So right now I'm not alive. You understand? It was fun though. I definitely reap what I did not sow. That's how the Lord provides. So guys, after such ordeal, day's work, I needed to cool myself down. So I have the AC on in the car and I got myself an organic lemonade drink or juice. Look, I'm perspiring like crazy. This is good for the body. The body is releasing all the toxins right now. Anyway guys, it was really nice having you with me. I'm sure you enjoyed the journey with me today and you're looking forward to seeing more. So guys, please like up this video, please share it, comment, guys talk and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell on your way out. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching guys. So guys, I will tell you more about how to prepare for this trip. Please do not do like I did. Don't wear any makeup. Don't do that. It's an exercise. It's in the sun. You're going to be sweaty and messy. What did I think? I have no idea. I was so prim and proper.